Alright guys, so I need your help. This is my 49cc Chinese scooter, Qinchi I think it's called, and this is the noise it's making. It was riding fine and now it won't start. Listen. What do I do?